quiet out here. I'm loving this. I'm outside of Parker, Arizona, about 6, maybe 8 miles on Shea Road. And, oh man, there's nobody here. Well, there's a few campers, but they're way far away. And this is what I'm talking about right here. That Craggy Wash was okay, but it was just too busy. And I wanted this. Quiet. Good morning, everybody. So a little side note here. You know how people name their boats, and some people are naming their RVs now, and I thought, I'm gonna give mine a name. And recently my best friend Renee lost her dog, 13 years I believe, hope I got that right, and his name was Winston, and the cutest little dog, and I've always liked that name, so I asked her if I could name my RV Winston, and she said of course, and so here's Winston. Alright, I guess this evening I'm going to do some chocolate chip cookies the hillbilly way, so why not? I don't know. I've kind of figured out that oven, so I think I'm gonna have a few cookies. So this is out on Shea Road, BLM land, outside of Parker. I don't know how many more days I'm going to stay here. I'm going to stay as long as I can, until the tanks get full. And I know I always have plenty of water, but I'm telling you, I'm coming back. I love the solitude, and sometimes after busy places, I need it. So, but it's great. And there's side-by-sides, a motorcycle here and there, but one, maybe two, and so it's not, nobody's camping next to me. I just love it. I know I don't mean to beat a dead horse, but I like this type of camping. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm not sure where I'm headed. I just know that I'm going to be here as long as I can. All right, cheers to you. See you later.